It's about... Wait, this is about having a roommate who snores so loud and messy. And messy. And messy. One, two, three, go. Oh gosh, he starts snoring again. This is 2 a.m. I really need to sleep, but he's disturbing me. Oh man, what do you think you are? You've been snoring for freaking 2 hours. It's like... That is so disturbing. Holy cow, 2 hours. Can you imagine that? You are the... Plus, you are the stinkiest roommate I've ever seen in my life. I really wanted to kill you. Such a disturbing creature. I wish I can bury you alive, you dang snoring pig. Gosh, it's 2 a.m.
Yeah!